This is the crap that I'm dealing with right now. So the other day, my water heater broke, and I had water all over my damn floor. Luckily, the insurance company's doing cleanup. They ripped the carpet out of the room. They got their fans in here. It's all good stuff, very good stuff.
Well, that's not what I want to talk to you about. So, when I got that water heater, this was the deal. We only got this kind, but I want a tankless. Oh, we don't carry tankless. Why don't you carry tankless? Oh, because... because they don't sell, and so we carry the ones that sell. Well, the only reason why these ones are selling is because that's the only one you have. I mean, it's a good water heater. I'm gonna be happy with it, but I wanted a tankless. Where are the tankless? Do people come in looking for a new water heater, usually to upgrade? No, they want a new water heater, usually because there's an issue with theirs and they need one that day. So why don't you supply them with that? How long will it take me to get a tankless water heater? Oh, it'll take about 2 weeks? 2 weeks? Really? I don't have 2 weeks. I need a water heater now. So the only thing that I have that you have to offer is the fact that I have to get this one. And don't try and tell me because they're gonna go and get the cheap one with the tank. Because you know what? The freaking tankless one is $150 that I wanted. This cost me $350 plus of everything else. It's not any cheaper. It's not. It's more expensive. And I looked and I got two 30-watt breakers. The one I was looking at could take one 30-watt breaker. That means if I put two in series, I could get two for the price of this one. And then I wouldn't have the worry that I'm in a cold environment, it's not heating fast enough, because it's going to go in one, which is going to heat it up a little bit, and then it's going to go in another one, which is going to heat it up even more. But no! Instead of being able to get that, which I could have got two for the price of this, because you're telling me that everyone's going to get this one because it's cheaper, it's not cheaper. The other one is cheaper. You don't supply me with the option to get the other one. So I have to get this one. And then on top of that, you try to tell me that, oh, it doesn't sell, it doesn't sell. It would sell if you had it. I went there to buy it. I want this one because you didn't have it. How many people ask for the tankless one? Or just go there and want the tankless one and they go, well, they don't have it. Well, let's just get this one. Why? Because they need it that day. That day, buddy. That day. Do you hear me? That day. I know. I work selling things too, but I work with food. And if it doesn't sell, I throw it out in 5 days. So I need to be more cautious. These, on the other hand, so you're telling me that you can't just keep... You had 20 of these on the shelf. These are freaking huge. You had 20 of these on the shelf. These are huge. The one that I wanted, where two of these could go, 20 of those could go. They're smaller. You don't need that much space. Just carry them, okay? Carry them so that when I want to go and upgrade because this one failed, because I'm gonna use this one until it blows up all over my floor again. That's just what I'm gonna do. But look. I have a nice pan, you know, and I'm gonna have it all set up so there's a hose that just goes directly outside because I got a hole right back there where it's super dark and you can't see a freaking thing. But there's a big giant hole back there that goes underneath the house. And for those of you that have been following the YouTube experiment, I'm a month in, I got this to deal with. I haven't been doing very good. So far, I'm a failure. But we're gonna keep moving on. We're gonna keep doing this. And you know what? Life happens.